Ladies and gentlemen, I just found out how to no longer speak broke. It's a simple DIY that'll make you richer than ever. All you need are some broken Apple earbuds and an empty deodorant container. Alright, and here's how it goes. I'm about to show you something absolutely shocking. Oh, and for this, you could also use a thing of floss if it's big enough, but I don't have any floss because I don't floss. The only flossing that I do is, yeah. Okay, are you ready for the biggest event? Oh. Alright, give me a second. I need to get other scissors. Okay, and I'm back with some Bezier scissors, so let's give it a shot. Are you kidding me? Okay. Just want to cut this excess little thread off. Do that. Okay, now for the other one. Oh. Okay, now we've got AirPods. Look at no strings. And now we're just gonna want to put them in here. Delicately, you see? And you've got a good container. Dude, I feel so different. Oh. Hey, what's up, bro? Oh. Yo. I can't hear you. I'm sorry, I don't speak broke. I got AirPods. Get away from me, peasant. Oh, you're trying to talk to me? Sorry, I don't speak broke. Hold up. Alright, what's up, bro? Alright, guys, so, that's the video, just so you know. These were already broken, I'm not wasting nothing, and that deodorant can was empty, so, yeah, I mean, I'm not a peasant anymore. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, because this is quality content, and, if you comment, I'm a peasant, you'll be automatically entered into the giveaway to, get this cord, you know? Nothing at the bottom of it, but I have no use for it. I'm too rich for it. Alright, bye.